Hey guys, what's up? So I just want to do a quick physique update for you. I kind of got to hurry because I have a feeling my camera might die here in a second. But just took a shower, so that's why it's all wet. And I'm in my shower because I'm really white, so like I have a lot of natural lighting in here and it just kind of washes me out. So this is the only space where it isn't completely natural lighting, but it kind of still is. So lighting kind of sucks, but it is what it is. No pump. Also, I haven't been doing the greatest when it comes to bulking. I'm doing something called Whole30 right now, so it's kind of hard to get calorie dense food because I'm limited in certain things that I can eat. But according to an app I use called Happy Scale, which you should check out if you have not yet, it comes in handy for sure. I've gained about like 2 pounds maybe. But you know, you can only gain so much muscle at a time. So in reality, some of that's probably fat. But you know, I don't want to gain too much fat too quickly because it's kind of counterproductive and it's harder just to, it's a lean bulk. It's hard to take off that fat later on. So anyways, I'm gonna get to it. Let's do this. So that's where I'm at currently. It's been a hot minute since I did a physique update, and my goal is to just keep trying to bulk. Just trying to see what I can do come October, where I will, you know, hopefully be competing again for the first time in a long time. Basically, I'm trying to focus on my legs right now, hoping to see more growth in my legs. I'll have to, you know, see if I've made any progress since the last time I did a physique update, but that is my main area of concern because I had knee surgery and they're lagging because of that. So that is it. Thanks guys for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Peace out. I'll see you next time. Alright, so I just reviewed the footage of my physique update that I did this morning, and I have to say, I was scared to look at it, and looking at it now for good reason. You know, I gotta say, I feel a little bit disappointed. I mean, at the same time, it's only been 5 weeks, and that's basically nothing in bodybuilding worlds. But I haven't been eating enough. I need to eat more. I need to train smarter. I need to get more sleep. All those things, and I'm just more motivated to work harder. I gotta get these legs growing. Basically, I feel like I'm running out of time because if I want to compete in October, I have a lot of work to do. So those are my thoughts on it. You know, disappointment, but also, you know, more fuel for the fire to work harder and get those gains. So yeah, probably won't do a physique update for another, probably at least 6 weeks. But we'll see what I could do between then. And just work harder. Keep going, right? Yeah, change is hard. Hard work pays off. So keep going on what you're doing, and I will keep bulking. Peace out, guys. I'll see you next time.